If you work with Visual Studio Code, it's very easy to integrate it with ESLint. More information about ESLint and how it works you can find in my previous video. Find the link in the description. To make ESLint work with our VSCode Editor, I'll do the following. I'll navigate to the Visual Studio extensions. I'll try to find ESLint extension and I'll install it. This extension will also give you autocomplete functionality for your ESLint configuration files. The next thing I want to do is to navigate to my terminal and install ESLint as a dependency. The next thing I want to do is add the ESLint configuration file. Create the file, JSON, and I'll add few rules for it. Again, if you want to find more information about ESLint configuration, how it works, check out my previous video. I want to have a single quotes for my JavaScript files. And I want to disable comma dangle. I save my configuration file. Oops, a typo. I save my configuration file. And now, if I open my JavaScript file, I'll see errors because of not valid JavaScript according to ESLint rules. I can fix them. I'll do single quotes and no comma dangle. Save, and no errors for now. That's all. Thanks for watching.